We can connect input supply to flight controller from power management unit. Connect it to the X3 pin of flight controller. Connect channel 6 from receiver to port E of flight controller. This is the binding key of the receiver to bind the transmitter to it. Connect the bind key to port B, VCC. We can connect any of the channels of the receiver to the controller. Turning on the transmitter by pressing and holding a binding switch that makes the receiver bind with the transmitter. We want to bind the transmitter with the receiver to make proper communication between the flight controller and transmitter. Then we want to connect remote LED. Mount remote LED at bottom of the drone frame. The functions of a remote LED include status indication, connection status, notifications, remote control feedback, and serving as a light source for various applications. Connect the ESC signal pin to the output port of the flight controller. Make sure the VCC terminals are removed. Make sure the ground terminal connected to top. Then we can connect the communication channel to the flight controller. Connect each pins as per the diagram shown in the screen. Connect the LED connector to LED port of flight controller. Connect the connector from power management unit to the EXP pin of flight controller. Secure all cables with cable ties. Tie all the cables for safety, vibration dampening, improved aerodynamics, neatness, easier maintenance and repair. This is the top panel. Place the top panel and maintain each side properly by screwing diagonally from each. Tight it with a Lengi screwdriver. Use Teflon taps to fix GPS module to the antenna. Here we use Flex Quick for proper fixing. Fix the GPS module to a GPS antenna mount. Place the GPS module into appropriate location in the top panel of the drone frame. Keep the arrow facing as forward direction. A GPS module is a compact device that receives signals from satellites to provide accurate location and time data for various applications, including drones and navigation systems. Tight all screws sufficiently. Connect the GPS module to GPS port of power management unit. Tie it properly. Here we using lacing thread to tie the cables. Make sure to fix the GPS cable properly. Take the measurement from GPS module to the flight controller from X, Y and Z direction. Mount the battery using double-sided tap. Use straps or any other secure method to mount the battery to the drone frame. Ensure that the drone's center of gravity is well balanced with the battery attached. Drone batteries are essential power sources that provide the necessary energy to electrically driven drones, and their capacity, weight, and charging time impact flight duration and overall performance. Please ensure that all connections, including wires, cables, and components, are properly checked and securely fastened to avoid any potential issues or malfunctions. Let's move on to the system configuration. Press and hold the Shift key, then reboot the system for disabling driver signature. In the Troubleshoot menu, click on Advanced Options. Select Startup Settings. Here we can see the Windows options to change. Then click on Restart button. Press 7 in your keyboard to disable driver signature, then it automatically reboots.